Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Cains is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any modern kitchen, offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency for a wide range of culinary tasks. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to elevate your meal preparation, the right Cains can significantly impact your cooking experience, making complex recipes more manageable and everyday meals quicker to prepare. Its innovative design and robust construction ensure durability and performance, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone passionate about food and cooking. This review will delve into what makes a Cains stand out, helping you make an informed decision for your kitchen. Number 5. LIXIANG Adjustable Folding Walking Cane. Introducing the LIXIANG Walking Cane, designed for both men and women. It's a perfect mobility aid for your daily living needs, offering both comfort and portability. This folding walking cane is designed for ultimate convenience. It collapses easily, fitting into your purse, briefcase, or wheelchair bag for effortless carrying. Crafted from durable aluminum, it's incredibly lightweight at only 0.8 pounds but can support up to 250 pounds. You can rely on its strength and stability. Easily adjust the height across 5 levels, from 32.5 to 36.5 inches, to find your perfect comfortable fit. It ensures optimal support while you walk. Enjoy maximum safety and comfort with its ergonomically designed T-handle and non-slip rubber base. It provides excellent traction on any surface, preventing slips and falls. A removable wrist strap is included for those times you need your hands free. It offers added security and convenience when you're on the go. LIXIANG is dedicated to providing convenient and reliable aids for the elderly. This cane is light, firm, fashionable, and easy to carry, making life simpler. What we like. This cane is designed for ultimate convenience and portability. It folds down small enough to fit in a purse or carry-on bag, making it ideal for travel or everyday use. If you need a reliable walking aid that won't be a hassle to store or transport, this is the one for you. What people say. The Cains brand is known for its high-quality ingredients and authentic flavor. Cains products are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from simple sandwiches to gourmet meals. The packaging is convenient and designed to keep the product fresh for longer periods. Number 4. Adjustable Folding Walking Cane with T-handle. Experience enhanced stability with our innovative 360 degrees pivot base. It moves with you for better balance on any surface, while non-slip feet ensure confident steps. Find your ideal walking height effortlessly. With easy push-button adjustment from 30 to 37 inches, it supports better posture and mobility. This cane folds down compactly, making it easy to store in your bag or car. It's your lightweight, portable companion for any outing. The T-handle is designed for a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue. A wrist strap keeps it conveniently within reach. Crafted from durable aluminum, it offers reliable support up to 300 pounds. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and ready for daily use. What we like. Experience superior balance and support with its innovative 360-degree pivot base. This feature allows for a more natural walking motion and enhanced stability on various surfaces. If you prioritize safety and confidence with every step, especially on uneven terrain, this cane is an excellent choice. What people say. The Cains brand has been a staple in our pantry for years, and it never disappoints. The quality of the Cains products is consistently excellent, making it a reliable choice for any recipe. I appreciate the wide variety of Cains products available, catering to different tastes and culinary needs. Number 3. PELEGON Quad Cane. Experience reliable support with this self-standing quad cane, perfect for navigating various surfaces. Its 4-pronged base delivers secure traction, reducing the risk of slipping so you can step forward with confidence. Your unique needs are met with a cane that adjusts to your height and supports your weight. Feel the difference with a handle that sits comfortably in your hand, reducing stress on your joints. Embrace the ease of a cane that's light enough to carry effortlessly yet robust enough to support your every move. It weighs only 2.1 pounds yet can hold up to 300 pounds. Just as your spirit is resilient, so should be the tools you rely on. Its robust construction ensures that it's built to last and remain dependable, day after day. We understand that behind every question is a person seeking a solution. Our customer service is about connecting with you, understanding your needs, and ensuring your experience is as fulfilling as the support our product provides. What we like. This cane offers exceptional stability thanks to its 4-pronged quad base. It's designed to provide reliable support and reduce the risk of slipping, making it a great option for those who need extra security. If you're looking for a cane that offers maximum balance and peace of mind, especially on smooth indoor floors or flat outdoor surfaces, consider this model. What people say. The Cains brand offers a wide variety of products, ensuring there's something for everyone. Customers appreciate the quality and durability of Cains products, making them a reliable choice. The innovative design and functionality of Cains items are frequently praised, enhancing user experience. Number 2. Floral folding cane for women. Experience reliable strength without the added weight. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, it's perfect for everyday use, reducing arm and shoulder strain. Find your perfect fit with 6 adjustable height settings. It collapses quickly for easy storage and travel, making it incredibly convenient. Enjoy a comfortable, ergonomic T-handle that distributes pressure evenly. The adjustable wrist strap adds an extra layer of security for peace of mind. Walk with confidence thanks to its stable design and slip-resistant rubber tip. It provides superior traction on various surfaces for unwavering support. Gain peace of mind with a walking aid built to rigorous standards. We are dedicated to your satisfaction and offer reliable customer support. What we like. Enjoy a comfortable and strain-free walking experience with this lightweight cane. Its ergonomic T-handle distributes pressure evenly, reducing hand fatigue. If you often go on long walks or need a cane that's easy on your arms and shoulders, this supportive and stylish option is perfect for you. What people say. The Cains brand offers a wide variety of products, ensuring there's something for everyone. Customers appreciate the quality and effectiveness of Cains products, making them a reliable choice. The Cains brand is known for its innovative designs and user-friendly features, enhancing the overall customer experience. Number 1. Floral Cains Folding Adjustable Walking Cane. Experience reliable strength without the added weight. This walking aid is perfect for everyday use, travel, and long walks, reducing arm and shoulder strain. Find your perfect fit with easy height adjustments from 30 to 36 inches. It collapses down to a compact size in seconds, making it ideal for storage and travel. Enjoy a comfortable, ergonomic grip that distributes pressure evenly to reduce hand fatigue. A wrist strap provides extra security and peace of mind. Walk with confidence on various surfaces thanks to the reinforced slip-resistant rubber tip. It offers unwavering stability with every step. Gain peace of mind with a walking cane built to rigorous quality standards. We are dedicated to your complete satisfaction and provide reliable support. What we like. This cane is crafted for both durability and comfort, providing reliable strength without the added weight. Its ergonomic T-handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, minimizing hand fatigue. If you value a blend of lightweight design, comfortable handling, and dependable support for daily use or travel, this cane is an excellent companion. What people say. The Cains brand has been a staple in our pantry for years, and this particular product did not disappoint. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, from sandwiches to salads. The quality of the ingredients is evident in the rich flavor and smooth texture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.